All right, guys. I'm actually here with 2 subscribers. What's y'all's names? Tell them everybody your names.
Luther Redden, they call me Tugboat.
My name's Taylor Redden.
Father and son. We're at a new place, but it's gonna be Lake X. I ain't telling nobody where it's at. You have to find it on your own, like we did. Let's see if I can't get blessed with a big old bass. Hey, we'll see you here in a little. Lake X looks amazing, and of course, got to try to throw a frog here. Lake X looks amazing. Looks amazing. Uh-oh, there's one hit at it right there just now. Super clear water. Let's backpack off. Super clear. Damn, boys, come on now. Pick that swim jig up. Probably didn't give the frog enough time, but it's okay. Now, swim jig, swim jig.
Oh, yes.
There's one. There's one. There we go. Little largy. Good way to start the day.
Yes, sir.
Little popper. He hit it, dude, didn't he?
Hell yeah, he did.
Good deal.
Pretty little fish.
Nice little largemouth. Healthy. Healthy fish. Hell yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
There's first blood. Oh,
there
yeah.
you go, buddy.
There he
Appreciate
goes,
it.
guys. Look how clear this water is. Good job, man. Good job. Fish number 1. Okay, guys. I've moved over here to a big old point that comes down. God, I can't believe. And I tied a white fluke on, weightless fluke. There's one. There we go. There we go, guys. Nice one, too. Nice fish. Nice little largemouth. There we go, guys. There we go. Hell yeah. On the fluke. There we go, fellas. That's what we're looking for. Good way to break the ice with my first fish at a new place. Good looking bass. Ain't never been caught, not in a while anyway. Beautiful fish, nice big head on him. See if we can't get him turned back without going swimming. Hell yeah, look at that, guys. God, he's gone, splash me. Hell yeah, fish number 1 on the weightless fluke. Super clear water, Texas rig fluke. It worked right there. Caught him out of that bush over at willow tree. Now, switch over to the swim jig here right quick. Fish this deep water a little bit. Almighty, but I'm having a hell of a time this morning with the bushes and shit. But that rip-rap right up there, guys, I know y'all can see it up yonder. That's where something good's gonna happen. Spot number 2, y'all. What do you think?
We gonna get him.
What do you think?
Yep.
All right. Here. What do you think? All right, guys, we'll see you on the dam. I managed to get a hold of the little one here. I believe I figured something out. And a bunch of fishing line, of course. Little guy. Just a little feller. If there's fishing line around, I will get in it. Alright, I believe I might have figured. We got a school of bass in front of me. They say there's 20 or 30 little bass in it. I ain't seen no big fish yet, but got to take what you can get, huh? Let's see if we can't trick another one into biting. Oh, parkour. Oh. Guys, I got one hooked right here, and there's one about 3 pounds following him right here. You can see him plain as day, I see him. You don't see that bass right there? You don't see that bass right there in that grass? Long as your forearm. I don't know, but he was trying to take his fluke out of this one's mouth. He's still down there. See him there? See him? Bro, you don't see that fish right there? Lord, you're struggling. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. You need to get you a good pair. He might hit it. God almighty. Come out there. There we go, guys. No hook set, but there's one about 2 pounds with him. So, only thing I can get bit on is this fluke. See if he's still there. Them fish is up under them mats. Yeah, when you see them following them like that, a lot of times they're trying to get the bait out of the other fish's mouth. There he is. I got him. I got that fish. Oh, come here. Oh, he come off right there. Look here what he spit out. Ah, he spit out a white worm. And that fluke there's had the lick. Oh yeah.
What the fuck is that?
That's a damn, that's like a ringworm.
What do you do with it?
Take you a hook.
Hook it wacky?
And hook it wacky. And that's a good color. That's cherry seed.
No
Zoom.
shit.
Yeah, that'll be real good for this clear water. Real good.
Hook it, you hooked it.
There's one. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that blow up? Oh, I jerked too soon. I jerked too soon. My frog fishing this year ain't been too good. I ain't caught but a couple. Only frog fish I've caught. Look how he missed it again. They're hitting at it, but they're not getting a hold of it.